Think real estate investing is only for people with six figures in the bank? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to invest in real estate with just $10,000. No house, no tenants, and no real estate agent. We're diving into 6 powerful strategies that are beginner-friendly, scalable, and completely legal. Let's get into it. Our first method is one of the simplest, REITs, or real estate investment trusts. You're not buying a house, you're buying shares in companies that own income-producing properties. Think apartment buildings, shopping malls, or even hospitals. These trusts pay out dividends, and many are publicly traded, so you can invest through platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity. It's like owning a slice of a real estate empire without the maintenance headaches. You can start with just a few $100s and build up over time while collecting passive income regularly. Second, let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet pool money from investors to fund large real estate projects. This means with as little as $500 to $1,000, you can get a piece of a multi-million-dollar apartment complex or commercial building. Many of these platforms offer quarterly returns and long-term appreciation. It's a way to diversify your investments across multiple properties without lifting a hammer or managing a tenant. Third is a creative one: house hacking without owning the property. Here's how. Partner with a friend or family member who's buying a duplex or triplex. You contribute your $10,000 as part of the down payment, and in return, you split the rental income or equity. They live in one unit, rent out the others, and you benefit from the returns. It's a smart way to get into the game without full responsibility or risk. Next is wholesaling. This strategy doesn't even require you to buy property. Just find motivated sellers. Here's the process. You get a property under contract for a low price, then assign that contract to a cash buyer for a fee. Your $10,000 can go toward marketing, building a website, and creating a list of buyers and sellers. It's more hands-on, but the upside is high. Many wholesalers make $5,000 to $15,000 per deal. Fifth on the list, land flipping. With $10,000, you can buy undervalued land, sometimes in rural or developing areas, and resell it for a profit. You can source deals from sites like LandWatch or direct mail campaigns targeting out-of-state owners. Unlike houses, land doesn't need repairs or renovations. This method requires a bit of research, but it's an underrated niche with serious upside. Finally, strategy number 6 isn't a property at all, it's you. Use that $10,000 to educate yourself, attend workshops, join mentorship programs, or buy a proven course from someone doing what you want to do. The right knowledge can turn that $10,000 into $100,000 in the next few years. Remember, the biggest ROI often comes from investing in yourself first. Bonus tip: combine strategies. Use $5,000 for REITs, and the other $5,000 to flip land, or lend on short-term real estate notes. This way, you blend passive income with active growth. So there you have it. 6 ways to invest in real estate without buying a house. Whether you're into REITs, crowdfunding, wholesaling, or flipping land, your $10,000 is more powerful than you think. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to break into real estate without breaking the bank. See you in the next one.